National Building Code of the Philippines. Section 214. Dangerous and ruinous buildings or structures. Dangerous buildings are those which are herein declared as such or are structurally unsafe. Magandang morning po sa inyo lahat. Isa na namang araw na kapupulutan ng aral. Ako po ay si Architect Jander Mateos, nagpapaalala sa inyo na ligtas po ang may alam, at kung gusto magkaroon ng kaalaman panoorin lahat mag-aking video. Nakapaloob po sa batas or building code na kapag ang gusali ay structurally unsafe ay napakadelikado sa mamamayang Pilipino at hindi po ito pinapayagan ng batas. Section 215. Abatement of dangerous buildings. When any building or structure is found or declared to be dangerous or ruinous, the building official shall order its repair, vacation or demolition depending upon the degree of danger to life, health, or safety. This is without prejudice to further action that may be taken under the provisions of Articles 482 and 674 of the Civil Code of the Philippines. Section 216. Other remedies. The rights, actions and remedies provided in this code shall be in addition to any and all other rights of action and remedies that may be available under existing laws. Nakapaloob po sa NBCP Section 215 na any building or kahit anong building is found or nalaman and declared na napakadelikado, or anytime kapag lumindol ay magigiba at hindi talaga siya sumunod sa sinasabi ng batas ay kailangan ng repair or ayusin, evacuate, lahat ng tao or mag-full out or ang pinakamalala ay subject for demolition. Ako bilang architect under this code ay sumusunod sa National Building Code of the Philippines at ako ay sumusunod din lang aking kumpanya, pero kapag may conflict of interest at public interest or ang kapwa mamamayang ang mapeperwisyo, bilang architect I will stand for public interest, the welfare or well-being of the general public and society is my priority.